A restaurant in Port Richey is assessing the damage after strong wind ripped its roof off this morning. A Ring doorbell camera actually captured the moment that it happened. Thankfully, management at Zen Kitchen and Bar says everyone is okay. As Fox 13's Kaylee Tracy tells us, the restaurant has only been in that location for a few months.
Crews are working to repair the roof of Zen Kitchen and Bar after a storm tore that roof off Tuesday morning. Our meteorologist Paul Delgado says there were reports of the wind gusting about 60 miles per hour around when it happened. Right before Zen Kitchen and Bar was about to open Tuesday, Mother Nature had other plans.
I got a call, say, hey, come back to the restaurant, because it was sunny like this when I left. They said the roof is coming down.
Victor Wang, a chef and partner at Zen Kitchen and Bar in downtown Port Richey, says no one was hurt when the wind ripped the restaurant's roof off around 11:10 a.m.
The staff was running around just trying to catch water wherever it was coming in. So a lot of anxiety and panic.
Pieces of that roof now lay in the street. Wang says other than the roof damage, they also have water damage that's mostly isolated to the dining room.
That's a silver lining.
Wang says they recently moved into this building from a location about 10 minutes away.
We're very, very young, so this kind of, sucks. Everyone was excited about the new location, and we did a lot of work. It took us almost 2 years. To get everything completely stripped and rebuilt in there and beautiful. And people were starting to come and learn about us, and now we have a hiccup.
He says while they're still figuring out when they'll be back up and running, he's optimistic it will be sooner rather than later. City staff says it did an inspection of the building and found no structural damage. Reporting in Port Richey, Kaylee Tracy, Fox 13 News.